Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to study networking topologies, which every year in board examinations comes of 4 marks. So let's begin our studies. First of all, let's see some. We are going to do some of the networking topologies that we are going to do in detail in this chapter: bus topology, star topology, ring topology, mesh topology, and tree topology. Hybrid topology is not in our syllabus. So let's first of all start with bus topologies. Bus topology is a network type in which every computer and a networking device is connected to a single cable. This is the common single cable. It transmits data only in one direction and every device is connected to a single cable. It is cost effective. Advantages of bus topology: it is cable required is least as compared to other network topologies. Used in small networks, it is easy to understand, easy to expand joining two cables. Disadvantage of bus topologies: cables fail, then whole network fails. If network traffic is high or nodes are more, the performance of the network decreases. Cables has a limited length. Now let's go to other topology, that is star topology. In this type of topology, all the computer devices are connected to a single hub through a cable. This hub is the central node and all other nodes are connected to this central node. This is the central node. Features of star topology: in every node has its own dedicated connection to the hub. Every uh, every hub acts as repeater for data flow. Can be used for twisted pair optical fiber and coaxial cable can be used with. Advantages of star topology: star fast performance with few nodes and low network traffic. Hub can be upgraded easily, easy to troubleshoot, easy to set up and modify. Only that node is affected which has failed. Rest of the nodes can work smoothly. Disadvantage of star topology: cost of installation is high, expensive to use. If hub fails, the whole network is stopped. This is because all nodes depends on hub. Performance is based on hub, that it is dependent on its capacity. Tree topology: it has a root node. All other nodes are connected to it, forming a hierarchy. It is also called hierarchical topology. It should be at least have three levels to the hierarchy. Ideal if workstation is located in groups. Were used in wide area networks. Extensive extension of bus and star topologies. Extension of nodes is possible and easily managed and maintained. Error detection is easy. Disadvantage: heavily cabled, costly. If more nodes are added, maintenance is difficult. Central hub fails, the network fails. Now let's see our other topology, ring topology. It is called ring topology because it forms a ring as each computer is connected to another computer with last one connected to the first. Exactly two neighbors for each devices. Exactly two neighbors for each devices. Features of ring topology: a number of repeaters is used in ring topology. Topology has large number of nodes because if someone wants to send data to last node in the ring topology with 100 nodes, the data will have to pass through 99 nodes to reach to the 100th node. Hence, prevent data loss. Repeaters is used in the network. The transmission is unidirectional. The transition is unidirection and can be made bidirection by having two connection between each network nodes. It is called dual topology. If we have bidirectional. To make it bidirectional, we have to make it a combination of two ring topologies. The dual ring topology had two ring networks are formed and the data flow in opposite direction in them. Also, if one ring fails, the second ring can act as backup to keep the network up. Advantage of ring topology: transition networks is not affected by high traffic or by adding more nodes, as only the nodes have tokens can transmit data. Cheap to install and expand. Troubleshooting is difficult in ring topology. Adding or deletion of the computer disturb the network activities. Failure of one computer disturbs the whole network. Here you can see its example. Network layout: the plan or design of or arrangement of network wings and nodes to be laid out is known as network layout. A good network layout provides the following feature: communication speed, file sharing, backup, and rollout is easy. Software and hardware sharing, security, scalability, and reliability. Okay, now let's see a question. Some more points. How to decide a network layout? The network layout can be best which provide less installation and maintenance cost as well as easy to installation and maintenance. It is only possible when it is properly designed. The design with shortest cable length fulfill our network requirements. Let's see a question. French FTC is a professional consultation company. The company is planning to set up office in India with hub in Udaipur. As a network advisor, you have to understand the requirement and suggest them the best for network layout. Human resource block, conference block, and finance block. The distance between these blocks are given here respectively. So let's see the possibilities of bus topologies. If we do connection like this, we know the human resource and conference are at distance of 110 meters, and commerce and finance are at 80 meters, so the cable length comes out to be 190 meters. Similarly, conference and finance is of 80 meter, we can see here, and finance and human is of 40, so cable length comes out to be 120 meter. Similarly here, cable length come out to be 150 meter. Show the shortest cable length for possible bus topology is this. So this is the best possible network layout. Now see the possibilities of star topology. Human resources, conference and finance, all these distances between them are known, but here mark that the finance block, the human resource block or conference block cannot act as a server block, because the block that has more number of computer acts as server location. So more number of computer, finance block is the block that should act as the server location. Show this, and if we calculate the cable length, we get it to be 120. In both the ways, this is the only possible best star topology network layout. Here best layout is finance to conference and finance to human resource, as it require minimum cable length. Tree topology will be same due to only 3 blocks are here. Now let's see some few more. Server location can be decided by seeing the number of nodes required in each blocks. Server must be installed in at the wing block which has maximum number of computer due to maximum load requirement services. How to decide repeater location? We need a repeater when total length of single span of network cable twisted pair exceeds 100 meter. We need a repeater when the total length of single line span coaxial cable exceeds 500 meter. Maximum length of fiber optic cable is 80 to 100 kilometer, but it depends varying on the factors like bit rate and the quality of the species, total authentication of the distance, and depends. Satellite link is required when the blocks are too much far away. The data security firewall is to be installed for the security of data in the network. Economic internet connection, dial-up internet connection would be preferred, and for faster internet connection, broadband interconnection would be preferred. So, thank you. Be connected with us for similar videos.